Hi guys, so I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place, the Masquerade Palette for this look, and I think I want to do something pinky, but I'm not quite sure. Yeah, I'm not sure, so I don't think I'm in focus either. There we go. So I'm going to be taking Zobo on my BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, and that's going to be going in my crease. And I love this fluffy brush because it's just big and fluffy, and am I the only one noticing that my hair is not combed? Do you guys judge me for not combing my hair? Because I really feel like some of you do, but then some of you get it because you know that by the end of this tutorial I'm gonna be snatched. Next I'm going in with Bori. No, I didn't go in with Zobo a while ago. I went in with, yeah, Zobo. Next I'm going in with Ada. Ada wants soap out here. You have an ADA? So this is ADA, or Ada as I so affectionately call it. And notice every time whenever I'm doing my eye work, you guys, I always start on the outside and build and work my way in. That's because of my eye shape. I have hooded eyes, and if I don't like to put all the drama in here because it kind of closes up my eyes, so I focus all the drama on the outside so that my eyes appear more open. That's what I'll do, Papa. There's a method to my madness, honey. Don't get it twisted. Next I'm going to be taking my shades by gal, what is his name again? With the neutral concealer. You know, send me and girl team turned. This is going all over my lid. So I'm going to be taking a really stiff brush. I feel like I'm not in focus. A really stiff brush, and I'm going to be going in with Cairo. Go do it here. All right. Right, then I'm going to be going in with Bori. Bori? Yeah, Bori. I hope this looks good together. I mean, it's okay. It's not like bam, I'm snatched, but it's like, you know. Do I have any more stiff brush? Nah, I don't. So I'm going to be going in with this e.l.f. brush. This is the e.l.f. professional eyeshadow brush, and it just looks like this. I feel like I'm not focused. Alright, so if you look, there's a little hint of purple in the crease. I did not put any purple there. It's the pink and the blue that mixed to create that purple. Just thought I'd put that out there. So I'm going to be adding more of Bori. Bori is that pink because I feel like I'm losing it amidst that mixture of the blue and the pink. Yeah, so I'm going to add some more Bori. Bori reminds me of Dory. Alright, that's that. Then for my crease, I'm going to be going in with Zulu, or yeah, Zulu. I'm putting it on the outside here just to kind of diffuse that color a little bit. And I think I want to do a cut crease, but I'm not sure. Let me see what this does. I'm just diffusing the ends right here, just blending them out. Then I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics fluffy brush again, and I'm going to take Makeda. And then just take Makeda and just put it on the outside here, just to add a little bit of the purple out there. That's looking alright. I'm liking it. Then I think I'm going to be going in with my black liner pencil and do like a half cut crease type thing. Not really a full cut crease, just like a piece of one. I hope I'm in focus, you guys. Just on the outside here. Then taking my elf, what's it called? It just says smudger brush. I'm going to blend up. So that nice half cut crease. Going to go back in with the pencil, just kind of to reinforce that line. Then go up a bit. Then I'm going to blend up again. And whatever is on the brush, I'm just going to bring it over lightly, not a lot, lightly this direction. So whatever's left on my beige cosmetics brush, I'm going to be taking it and just putting the color here, just to blend out somewhat. So I lined my eyes with the same Anco pencil. Next, for my brow bone, I'm taking It's Your Face Cosmetics Chai Tea, because there's no color light enough in this palette to do my brow bone. So Chai Tea is their pressed powder. It is their photochromatic pressed powder, and Chai Tea looks like this. So this is what we have. So fizzle. And I think I want to add a color up in here, so I'm going to be going in with Chai. Slightly kind of dust that on. I don't like how Chai looking. I'm going in with Bori. Yeah, Bori. Yeah. Then I'm going to use the same brush I used to apply Chai Tea from It's Your Face and just blend that down. Alright. So we'll have this look. I want that area to pop out some more at me, my cut crease. So I'm taking my angle brush that I used to do my brows, and my Ruby Kiss is level 11, and I'm going to be drawing a line. Guys, I'm going in with Dhalia again. They are trying to wake you up. You never want to wake up. Me.
I feel me?
Yeah.
And you talk to me?
Yeah. Yes, Mama? I never know the tea out there. You come in here, come tell me? I never hear Marco. Alright then guys, and I think I want to take yeah, I think I want to take Makeda again. Alright, this next I'm going to take Zola. Alright guys, so for my lips I'm going to be wearing Keisha Kayora's Lollipop. I wore this yesterday. You guys just seen this video way after, but I wore this yesterday and everybody on Snapchat wanted to know what I have on my lips. Artist Couture in Conceited. I normally use whatever's in the cover because it is a lot of product. You will never run out of Artist Couture ever in life. It reminds me of the Ben Nye powders. You'll never run out of those. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Very bold, very in your face, very IDC. Guys, honey, no blush, just glow, lips, and eyeshadow. Alright guys, that's it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll talk to you in the next video.
Tell them them say wow.